Well guys, if you've been watching my channel, you've seen me catch quite a few critters in this Z-Trap 8-inch Skunk-N-More, and I've you know, released them all back out into the wild. But I've noticed one thing. I have a possum that's coming, and he kind of hangs around at the back, and he normally don't come around to the front. And I usually have the door open facing out into my yard. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to actually turn this around, and I'm going to have the door facing back into my house, so if he comes up, maybe he'll come in. Of course, if you know, if you've been watching, I bait this with cat food, this dry cat food. Seems like every critter around likes it. So hey, let's come back in the morning and see if we can catch a possum. Well, if you've been watching my channel, you know that's my third possum in this 8-inch Z-Trap Skunk-N-More, along with 6 skunks and a raccoon. So hey, check them videos out. It's a lot of fun. Let's go turn him out at the little lake, and we'll make this city possum a country possum. Be sure and tie these things down so they don't just slide all over your truck. Don't want to hurt them. We want to safely release them. So hey, let's head to the country. Well, we're back out to the lake. Let's go turn him loose with all his family. There's enough critters out here because I've brought them here. Trap's real handy. You can just pop this back door off, turn them loose. Of course, it's a lot easier to let a possum loose than it is a skunk. You got to worry about him coming out spraying. Get out of there, possum. Get out of there, possum. Damn, he's wanting to hang on. Good boy. He ran back up in there. I said they're easier to let loose. Well, I guess they are. And he's free. Well, there's another animal successfully released to the wild. Hey guys, if you're serious about trapping, you really want to catch your skunks and possums, even raccoons, cats. Hey, get you one of these Z-Trap Skunk-N-More 8-inch. Yeah, they cost more, but hey, I think I've proved they're very well worth it. I've set this thing on, you've seen, heck, I've lost count now how many times I've set this, and I catch one every time I set it. If they go in, they're caught. So hey, I hope this entertained you today. If it did, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Till next time, I'll catch you later.